Hey everyone, we have seen many AI art generators like Midjourney, Leonardo AI, Freepik, and many more, and all of them are paid and very expensive. But today, I found a new AI where you can generate unlimited AI art without any charge, and this output is mind-blowing and better than other AIs. And this AI art generator is very fast. So today, I am going to show you how to generate unlimited AI art for free. So let's move on to the tutorial. First, open replicate.com and then click on the Get Started button. After that, sign in with GitHub. Sign in is done. To generate art, first we need to set up our billing information. Guys, listen, if you don't have billing information, check the video's first comment to get billing info. Now click on the Payment Method button and set up billing. The billing information setup is complete. Listen, this is a pay-as-you-go system. They will try to charge after a month. So after 1 month, create one more account with the same process, and that's it. Now we need to find the art generator model. To find the model, click on the Explore button. Now search for ByteDance. This is the art generator model. Let's generate some art. So now I will use a prompt. Skip the negative prompt. It is not necessary. You can use a specific width and height. To generate 4 images at a time, use 4. Now click the Run button and wait. Wow, wonderful art, and all are high-quality arts. So let's generate more images. Generate done. What an output. Guys, listen, to get the best results, use a detailed prompt. I can say that this is the best AI art generator. With this same process, you can generate unlimited art without limit. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, press the bell icon, and share it with your friends and family.